Get into folding clothes with these amazing ideas. Folding clothes is the best way to pass time because you get to organize them. This makes folding clothes a great hobby. To fold jeans, lay them on a flat surface and then fold in the top of the jeans by folding it down to meet the waistband. If you like to fold dresses, here is a trick that will help you make the perfect folds. Not just that, it will save you enough space storage. These cute convertible sofas into beds are the best thing for your little kids. Now, let's try another folding jeans tip. We love folding clothes, and believe us when we say there's no greater feeling than seeing that pile of laundry turn into a neat stack of folded clothes. It's really easy to fold up t-shirts. Folded properly, t-shirts take up very little space. Find a sweater that you want to fold. Fold the sleeves and sides, and then